English coach Amanda. I am talking to all of you who follow Hi Amanda, and of course, if you are new, hi, nice to meet you. I'm your English coach Amanda. Usually here on my channel on Fridays, we always have a live free English class, right? So if you want to watch the lives that I did for the last year, you can go on YouTube. They are all there. Usually I give you guys classes for 50 minutes, an hour, and we just talk. You guys ask me questions. We have lives with different topics. It's a lot of fun, and it's the moment of the week that we interact. So I really miss that. That's why I decided to record this video. I can't be here this week. And you know why? Because by the time you watch this video, I will be in Brazil with my family. Woo! Finally! If you follow my channel, you know how much I talk about my family and how much I miss them. So I decided to finally go visit my family, surprise my mom for her birthday. I'm sure you guys are really happy for me. And because I can't be here for the live this week, I decided to record this video and give you a little lesson about using by the time. It's really hard sometimes in English to talk about the movement in time, right? I'm here, I'm recording this video from my home, right? But by the time you watch this video, I will be in Brazil. Look at how interesting. By the time you watch this video, I will be spending time with my family in Brazil. Because the action is happening, right? In the future, will be happening. And if the action is finished, today is Friday. I arrive in Brazil on Wednesday, but we are thinking about I'm thinking about the future because I'm recording the video before I travel, right? So I want to tell you guys, by the time you watch this video, I will have arrived in Brazil. I will already have arrived in Brazil. You use the future perfect, little harder. So the action is finished, right? By the time you guys watch this video, I will probably have visited my grandmothers because that's on the top of my list. The first day I'm in Brazil, I want to go see my grandmas. I really miss them. Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm thinking about it. So today, to substitute the live, I also have some tea. I made green tea today. I will make. Okay, so by the time you watch this video, I will already have drunk all my tea. So there you go. I want you guys to practice this. I want you to leave on the comments more examples of by the time you come back from Brazil, I will have watched all your videos, coach. That's an example, right? So make me proud. I want to see what you guys can do with this by the time something happens. And to keep tradition going, if this is your first time on my channel, you don't know that, but every Friday we have tea together, and I made some tea to keep tradition alive with you guys. The tea message, I love yogi tea. I'm making some green tea today. And the yogi message we have for our tea today is live righteously and love everyone. I really feel like I do a good job with this one. Do you know what it is to live righteously? Right, as in like correct, right? E-O-U-S-L-Y, righteously. To do the right thing, right? To do the right thing, live righteously, and love everyone. Yeah, guys, let's spread the love. And I am really excited about spreading some love back in my hometown, Belo Horizonte, in Minas Gerais in Brazil. If you are watching this video and you are a follower and you are from Belo Horizonte and you live in Belo Horizonte, send me a message. By the time you watch this video, I will be in Belo Horizonte and maybe we can meet. Maybe we can have a Hi Amanda reunion at Café com Letras. That's a really nice coffee shop that I like in my city. So that's it, guys. Let me take a sip. Cheers with tea. Cheers to learning English with your coach, even when she is traveling. Even when she's traveling. And cheers to spending time with family. I think it's really important to be righteous, to live righteously and love everyone, especially yourself, your family, your friends, your neighbors, your followers. Cheers to that. I love you guys. I hope to see you very soon. Next week, we have a live. I can't wait to come back and meet you. But next week, the live will start a little bit later, okay? 30 minutes later. So check out the time. But we do have a live next Friday. And of course, I want to invite you to check out the video I posted yesterday. It's a different video. I recorded from my home too. Last month, the month of October, I did a lot of videos outside. Hi, let's go. I'm trying new things. This month of November, I will do some homemade videos here in my apartment. So yesterday, I posted the first one. There's a really nice kind of English life hacks, an expression in English that I'm teaching you with the word bell. Ding, ding, ding. So go check out that video. And if you are not yet a Hi Amanda subscriber, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Love you. Bye.